Hello friends, welcome back to the class. Friends, in the last few lessons I discussed about some of the skills which you can acquire through several sources. You have no difficulty in collecting knowledge, resources and tips and techniques for understanding these skills which I have already discussed. Friends, in today's episode, I will discuss some more skills which you can acquire from the external world. And these are the skills which, in fact, anybody who understands even little bit of the business and the management, they can learn these skills and acquire this knowledge. So, friends, the next very important skill and knowledge which is required to become a successful global business professional is the knowledge of the differences which exist in this world. The differences between the home country and the destination country. So, which means the differences which exist in this world in terms of culture, in terms of political ideologies, in terms of legal systems, in terms of technology applied and available in different countries, and very importantly the differences of the legal environment and the regulations, because the laws and regulations and the legal systems varies drastically among countries, friends. And because of these differences, certain skills are required to become a successful global business professional. For example, you require the skill of the documentation and procedure which has to be carried out to move goods or services from one country to another country. So that becomes a very major skill, very major challenge, very major knowledge which if you can acquire, how to move goods from one country to another country, what documents are required, which meets the differences in the laws, regulations and the legal systems of one country with another. So, for example, what is the structure of the export contract, how export contracts can be invoked, how export contracts can protect you from any adverse situations or any awkward outcome of making a international deal, and what documents are required to move goods, which are so called the transport documents or pre-shipment documents or the post-shipment documents, what is invoice, what is bill of lading, what is airway bill, how it works, what is the letter of credit which helps you to protect yourself from the failure of international payment by the buyer to the seller. So friends, these differences which makes it a very challenging task to carry out the complete set of documentation and procedures and the requirements of different countries, the needs of the different countries, the needs of the local governments, which requires certain preconditions to be met. So friends, because of these differences, the skill of carrying out the documentation and procedures of the international shipments, either by sea routes or by air or by road transport or by any other means. So friends, this particular skill of the documentation and procedure becomes the second most important skill which is required to become a global business professional.